In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a drill bit into a Milwaukee impact driver. So the first thing you want to do is remove your driver bit. So pull the collar forward, that releases your driver bit, and you're now ready to start inserting your wood drill bits. So we have a bit of a selection here, and you'll notice all these different drill bits have a different shank on the end. So this one's a smooth shank, and these two here are hex shank bits with a little notch out. So these two bits are able to connect directly to your Milwaukee drill. However, if you want to fit a smooth shank, you're going to need one other component, and I'll show you that later. So pull the collar forward, and then you've inserted your bit into your Milwaukee impact driver. So in order to insert a traditional wood drill bit, you're going to need an adapter chuck. So we picked one of these up on Amazon. We'll pop a link to this in the description, and that just clicks into the drill, and then it functions as a normal drill chuck. Lock your drill bit into place, and now you can use your Milwaukee impact driver as a cordless drill. Hope this bit of advice has helped, and have fun adjusting your drill. Just cut that bit out, Bez, can you?